Real Estate Investment Trust. It is a public real estate company na pwede mong bilhin through the stock market. A very good example of this is AREIT, which is Ayala Real Estate Investment Trust. It is the very first REIT dito sa Pilipinas. Way back August 2020 sila nag-start. Yung IPO price niya, initial public offering, is 27 pesos. As of March 4, 2025, yung value niya ay 38.95 pesos. Actually, yung all-time high nito ay umabot ng 52 pesos if I'm not mistaken. So if you have sold it at that time, malaki yung kita mo. But now, bumaba siya but still, profitable ka pa rin from the IPO. 5 years growth niya, 44% ang kanyang growth. Average yearly growth ay 8.85%. So kumita ka na ng pera in terms of value appreciation. REITs kasi, they are required by law to distribute 90% of their profits back to the investors. And that is given through dividends. Kaya nga, ang AREIT, meron siyang dividend yield na 5.87%. So kumita ka na sa value appreciation, meron ka pang dividends na matatanggap ng 5.87%.